Okay.
I'll do a crazy one.
Uh-huh.
I'm doing one too. I'm kind of doing a crazy one.
Mm-hmm. Do you like yodeling?
What are you doing, Daddy?
Take a bow.
Okay.
Take a bow. Girl.
Good girl. Can you do it again?
You should take a bow at the end. After you do a performance like that, you should go like this. If you're a girl, you could also curtsy. But it's a little strange if you don't want to stare.
Why in the